Are you searching for the best self-propelled vacuum cleaner? Finding a self-propelled vacuum cleaner can be somewhat of a challenge, especially a model that is upright. There are very few models that offer the self-propelled feature, and the only brands I know that make them are Kirby, Dirt Devil, Eureka and Hoover. After hours of research reading up on vacuum brands such as Shark, Dyson, Hoover, Kenmore, Eureka and Kirby, the best self-propelled vacuum cleaner I've found is the Hoover Anniversary WindTunnel Bagged Upright. In fact, the Hoover Anniversary U6485900 is really the only self-propelled upright vacuum that is widely available on the market. You can usually pick up a brand new Hoover Anniversary WindTunnel for less than $200. One of the best places I've found them selling online is Amazon.com. Click the link below this video to find out more.